Human-wildlife conflict in the Zambezi region continues to create fear among communities, particularly those living in conservancies. This month, a Zambian national was killed by a hippo at Lianchulu in the Judea-Boloma constituency, while at Malengalenga, a 53-year-old woman was killed by a buffalo. This situation is a concern for the regional leadership, who are now appealing to the Ministry of Environment and Tourism to act before the situation gets out of hand.
It is becoming a serious problem of which wildlife are increasing in number, especially when we talk about buffaloes, when we talk about elephants. They have increased totally. That means definitely we need support from the government, that if the government can support us, especially the Minister of Environment and Tourism, to employ more staff on the ground so that they can cover all areas that are affected when it comes to human-wildlife conflict.
Munali is further worried about some channels in the Kwando-Linyante River, which are drying up, which could result in the shortage of water for communities and their livestock in the area, who depend on water from the swamps, streams and rivers.
As I'm talking now, there are some corridors that have been used by wildlife. So those corridors is just a warning to our community that whenever they know this is a corridor where wildlife is passing, definitely they should not pass that area during evening time, because it will be dark and then elephants are now coming from the upper land or from the forest to go to the riverside for them to drink water.
Linyante and Judea-Boloma constituencies are surrounded by two national parks of Nkansa Rupara and Mudumu in the south, and Siomangwese National Park in the far north. This makes Judea-Boloma a corridor for wildlife and not safe for walking during late hours.